how's it going? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the bell to get notifications. So I am here today. Look, say hi. Oh, you want your toy? Okay, fine. Go on. She's not even moving. No, she's not moving. There I go. Okay, so anyway, guys, today what I'm going to do is, now it is 3 a.m. and what I did was I ordered a Grinch doll online. I'm waiting for it to come in as usual, and it should be here any minute. What I wanted to do was I wanted to open a Grinch, or cut a Grinch open at 3 a.m. I have done a few. If you guys haven't seen it already, go check it out. I will put it in. Go check it out. Okay, so I hear the doorbell, and I think that it's actually my order. So I think it should be in by now. Yeah, my watch is saying that it's in, so I'm just gonna go get it. Guys, I got it. I got my Grinch doll. Isn't it crazy? That's so funny. I'm actually gonna cut this open. So I gotta grab like my knife and my scissors. It's so cute and it's so funny, but I want to see what's inside of it, right? So yeah, hopefully like this time this thing won't go anywhere. So many weird things have happened, you know? It's crazy, but yeah, let's go do this. One sec. Oh my god, what the frack? What were you doing there? That's insane. Did you move? Anyway, regardless, I think you're knocked out now. So I'm just gonna, frack. I'm actually gonna tape you up now. Okay. Damn, where's my tape? Where's my tape? What the frack? You stay there. Oh my god, he's fighting. I said stay. Oh my god. Guys, what the oh my god, no! Frack, what are you doing? What are you doing? Let go of my camera. What the frack? Oh my god, he got it. Get away. I need something, Get down. It's my camera. Whew. And stay down. That's insane. Okay, I'm gonna move him real quick. I just got him. He was like alive. I'm not really sure what I should do with this one. What the frack? Ooh, guys, it gave me like a workout. I'm not gonna sure what I should do. Oh my God, Twizzler, girl, what are we supposed to do? Come here. It's okay. He's down. He's down. Look at him. Whoop. Oh my God. Whew. Okay, guys, we seem safe, girl. It's okay. Oh my God. We're safe. Guys, that's crazy. Like, he's still down. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lock him up somewhere. Actually, I should cover him with like the basket, right? To make sure that he doesn't escape. That's crazy. Like, he was trying to steal my Christmas tree and I'm not imagining it, right? Like, that's insane. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna grab like a basket. I'm gonna, whew, okay. Like, I gotta remove like the I gotta remove like the golf club because like it's still on his like neck, you know. Okay. Whew. Oh my God, guys, I'm just gonna stay here for a minute, maybe leave, but I'm not sure like if this is gonna hold. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the bell to get notifications. Thanks again for joining me. I'm gonna toss him out and maybe lock all my doors. Priest is out.